Craving something sweet, fluffy, and tropical, but don't want to wait for the oven? This coconut cream mug cake is soft, moist, and loaded with coconut flavor. Best part? It's eggless and ready in just minutes. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This forms the soft base of your cake. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut for texture, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to make it rise, and just a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Mix everything well so the baking powder spreads evenly. That's the secret to a fluffy bite. Now pour in 3 tablespoons of creamy coconut milk for richness, 1 tablespoon of oil or melted coconut oil for extra flavor, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round it all out. Stir until smooth and lump-free. The smoother the batter, the softer and fluffier your cake will turn out. Microwave the mug for about 70 to 80 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. For a simple glaze, mix 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar with a teaspoon of coconut milk and drizzle it on top. Or whip 2 tablespoons of chilled coconut cream with a little sugar until fluffy for a dairy-free whipped topping. Gently spread the glaze over the warm cake. Finally, sprinkle some toasted shredded coconut on top for that perfect crunch. And there you have it, a warm, tropical coconut cream mug cake that's soft, sweet, and absolutely irresistible. Quick, easy, and the perfect single-serve dessert when you're craving something special. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats.